Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cobra coverage. Cobra, or the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, provides a way for you to keep your health insurance benefits temporarily after certain life events. This is especially helpful if you've lost your job or had your hours reduced. We'll cover the simple steps to understand and utilize this important option. To qualify for Cobra, you need to be a qualified beneficiary, which includes employees, spouses, and dependent children. A qualifying event, like voluntary or involuntary job termination or a reduction in work hours, must occur. Once your employer is notified of this event, they are required to send you an election notice. This notice outlines your rights and the steps to take. After receiving your election notice, you have a 60-day window to decide whether to enroll in Cobra. It's crucial to make this decision within that time frame. Be aware that Cobra premiums can be quite expensive, as you'll be paying the full cost of the plan plus a small administrative fee, usually around 2%. Payments are generally made directly to the plan administrator on a monthly basis. Cobra coverage usually lasts for 18 months, but in some situations, it can extend up to 36 months for dependents. While Cobra offers continuity, it's often worth exploring other options, such as health insurance marketplace plans, which might offer more affordable rates or different benefits. Remember to compare costs and coverage carefully. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.